Hey guys, it's me again. I just have a quick video to help you reason with fractions. So operations with fractions are not everybody's favorite. A lot of you have reached out to me and said that you never learned how to multiply, divide, add, or subtract fractions, and that is so felt. Thank you to those of you who did that, because now I get to show you the cheat, the shortcut. So go ahead and click on that Desmos Scientific Ohio version calculator that you'll be using on that state test. So go ahead and click on that. It's in the post below. And let's look at this test. 12 and 3/8. So let's look at number 27. 12 and 3/8 minus 4 and 5/6. So 12. The 3/8 part, you would just go ahead and, I don't know what happened to my drawing tool, but click the A over B that's under this little wrench. A over B is the fraction bar. Oops, fraction bar. A over B. And then the A in this case is 3. The numerator is 3. And then you can either click into the denominator or you can press the downward cursor. Either one works. Again. 4 and 5, down cursor, 6, which gives us a decimal. But don't worry, we can click this little toggle guy over here to convert it to a fraction. I don't know if you guys knew that you could do that. I didn't know that until like a couple years ago. So 181 over 24. So that is our improper fraction. Now, if we wanted to change this to a mixed number, all we would have to do is divide 181 by 24. We get 7 something, right? So now 24 times 7 is 168. And then you can highlight that 24 times 7 and click parentheses. And we're going to be subtracting 181 minus 24 times 7. So 13 is going to be our numerator because 13 is the remainder. So our final answer would be 7 and 13. What was it? 7 and 13 24ths. And that does simplify to 181 over 24. So you can check your work that way as well. Anyway, I hope this helps. Holler if you need any help at all. I'm going to open that room at 2 o'clock today. And you can find the join link over in the left toolbar of your Google Classroom thread.